Welcome back to Car Updater, your go-to channel for the latest updates on groundbreaking vehicles that push the boundaries of innovation. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting, the all-new 2025 BMW Motorhome Camper Truck. Yes, you heard that right. BMW, a brand known for its performance sedans and luxury SUVs, is officially entering the camper truck market, and they're doing it in style. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the 2025 BMW camper truck demands attention. With a futuristic yet rugged design, it merges BMW's signature aesthetics with off-road toughness. The front fascia carries the bold kidney grills we've come to recognize, but they're flanked by adaptive LED matrix headlights that give it a high-tech, almost concept car vibe. The body lines are sculpted and muscular, hinting at its strength and off-road capabilities, while the elevated chassis gives it a dominating presence on any terrain. But it's not just about looks. BMW has engineered this camper truck to perform. Under the hood, you'll find a hybrid powertrain combining a 3.0-liter inline-six engine with BMW's fifth-generation electric motor system. This dual setup delivers an impressive 500 horsepower and nearly 600 lb-ft of torque, providing more than enough grunt for towing, off-roading, or highway cruising. It can go from 0 to 60 in just under 6 seconds, not bad at all for a vehicle that doubles as your home on wheels. The 2025 BMW camper truck isn't just powerful, it's smart too. It features BMW's latest xDrive all-wheel drive system, adaptive air suspension for a smooth ride on all terrain types, and an intelligent terrain response mode that automatically adjusts traction and torque based on road conditions. Whether you're traversing desert dunes, rocky trails, or icy roads, this vehicle adapts with precision. Step inside, and you'll immediately realize that BMW has taken the concept of luxury camping to an entirely new level. The cabin is spacious and thoughtfully designed, offering a perfect blend of comfort, tech, and practicality. The cockpit resembles that of a premium SUV, with a massive 16-inch curved infotainment screen running BMW's iDrive 9 system, a fully digital instrument cluster, and touch-sensitive controls integrated into a sleek dashboard. Now, let's talk about the camper section, the heart of this truck's identity. Unlike traditional motorhomes, the BMW camper truck doesn't feel cramped or outdated. Instead, it feels like a modern loft on wheels. The camper is designed using lightweight carbon fiber panels and insulated composite materials to maintain temperature efficiency and durability. There's a slide-out section that increases living space when parked, giving you extra room to move around. Inside the camper, you'll find a queen-size memory foam bed, a compact but fully equipped kitchenette with induction cooking, a sink with a retractable faucet, and a 75-liter fridge-freezer combo. It even includes a smart bathroom module, F2.